So a warm welcome to you all. We will be underway very shortly, once all the pleasantries are complete. The teams then, Barcelona against Athletic Bilbao. I'm Peter Drury, and providing analysis and expert opinion alongside me will be Jim Beglin.
Thanks for the intro, Peter. I've been soaking up the atmosphere and I'm really looking forward to what lies in store.
Both teams have enjoyed the perfect start. 2 wins from 2, so something's got to give here. Now it's Neymar. He's off on a marauding run. What a wonderful goal!
And some of the best managers I played for insisted on starting games as you mean to go on. And we've just seen a very important opening goal from an extremely talented individual who looks primed for more. He really does look at it.
Well, from right in front of goal, there was no way he was going to miss.
Messi is the obvious danger man here, and yet he was afforded way too much freedom. I think he was gifted that goal. His reputation should have been warning enough for them.
Well, that has certainly made things interesting. And he's straight offside. Promising, but eventually thwarted without doing any harm. Barcelona have hit the front early, a foothold in the game.
Well, they've managed to get their noses in front early because they've been much quicker out of the stalls. They've set a high tempo and intensity and look as though they want it much more at the moment.
Messi. Oh, it's opened up nicely for him. Clears it out of harm's way. Out wide to the right. It's gone a long way up and away. Barcelona are enjoying a good spell right now and leading. Luis Suarez, and he's through on goal. Oh, surely that deserved better.
And it just goes to show you how effective those through balls can be. All it needed was a better execution.
Promising move that, good inroads into enemy territory, but no joy. Raul Garcia. He scored inside the first 10 minutes to make it 1-0. It's a long forward pass. Jordi Alba. Iniesta. Looks to slip it through. And he's been judged offside. Mikel San Jose boots it upfield. Piqué. Daniel Alves. Messi. Spoon forward. Away from immediate danger. Iturraspe. Susaeta. Tries to locate someone up front. Iniesta. Barcelona are leading with half-time drawing close. Messi. Rakitic. Sergio Busquets. 5 minutes till the break. And it's Neymar. Neymar got into a good position, but he may need to hold things up.
Oh, the fans will be annoyed with that. They tried to walk it in.
Keeper's got good distance on that. Iturraspe, Beñat, DeMarcos hoofs it forward. Well, that's where he wants it. And the first 45 minutes are up.
Well, you obviously have to give credit to the front men for the half-time lead, but I think the midfield can really pat themselves on the back too. They worked tirelessly for me.
Barcelona go in at half-time with a slender one-goal lead.
Well, 1-0 may be good enough, so they may err on the side of caution and get more players behind the ball instead of running beyond it. They could even try to spoil it from here, we'll see.
Iturraspe gets it back. Raul Garcia. Now it's Aduriz. Athletic Bilbao were impressive in their last outing and brilliantly orchestrated by the manager.
He's a manager who understands how important the bench can be and the timing of substitutions. If needed, he's quick to make changes, and I just think he has more than a plan B.
So still just a goal between them. Iraola looks to dink one in. Iniesta. Luis Suarez. Mikel San Jose with a delicate ball. Daniel Alves. Barcelona yet to make a change here. Messi, a scorer already in the game, plays it out to the flank. He acknowledges that he should have come up with something better there.
Yeah, it looked like there that he was asking just a little too much of himself to try and thread that ball through. It was a bit over-ambitious, but I like his thinking.
Forward it goes. Here it comes. It's Beñat! Mascherano knocks it away. Fine defending there. Brings it forward. Looks like a good ball through. Sergio Busquets with an air of confidence about him, a certain swagger.
And that's what you call going solo. He may have taken the selfish route to goal, but it wasn't a bad run, and it might just spark a teammate to come up with something extra now.
Mikel San Jose. Muniain. Iturraspe. Iraola. Muniain. It's been intercepted, and that will come to nothing. Beñat tries to get it forward quickly. Iturraspe. Ball's loose, who's getting there? Messi. With the ball through. Luis Suarez. And the defence can get it clear. Barcelona have a sub ready to come on. Tries a through ball. It's a throw in. Messi. A chance! What about it? 2 ahead, late in the day, game over surely. Calm, composed, confident. What a super goal.
I just thought he knew exactly what he was doing by feigning to move one way and then readjusting back. Controlled trickery.
Barcelona get themselves a 2-goal cushion. Aimed long and direct. Jordi Alba. Now it's Neymar. Neymar showing well down the left. Now, what are his options? Where to from here? Sergio Busquets. Messi. That's good progress he's made on the ball. Beñat can hoist it clear. And time is up. Barcelona claim victory here, and on balance they were worth it.